Hello guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your video. So for example, if you want to add a logo or something like so. First of all, you want to import your media, your picture into the media pool right there. So just right click and import media. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and drag this at the top, just like so. Now, as you can see, this picture is really big and not in the position we want. So all you have to do is go ahead to the inspector here, to the video and transform. And now on the zoom, you want to drag it to the left. Just make sure you click on this image, as you can see. Once you selected it, now you want to zoom it out. And once you done that, if you want to change the position, you go ahead to position X or Y and basically just drag it wherever you want. And now the same goes with Y. Let's make it at the corner. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.